In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Coinbase Wallet to CoinLedger. Now, the first thing you want to do here in your dashboard, you want to go to the top left and click on Import. And then from here, you want to go to the bottom left where it says Add Account, and you want to click on that Add Account button. From here, you want to look for Coinbase Wallet. So just if you can't find it, type in Coinbase up top, and it should pop up Coinbase Wallet. So just click on it. And then from here, as you can see, you have three options. You could either browse for a file on your computer, and you can upload your transaction history. This can be a bit lengthy. Now you have the auto import, which is recommended and which we're going to use, or you could also do a manual input if you want to. That's going to take the most time out of all three, okay? So I'm going to select this second one, which is the auto import, and it's actually very easy and convenient. So click on over here, and then here it's going to ask you to select a blockchain. So of course, basically on the blockchain that you're actually trying to work on. So I'm going to type in base over here. There we go. And I'm going to actually put in the wallet address. Now you have to paste in your wallet address for your base or for whatever blockchain you're trying to actually import and connect the Coinbase from Coinbase Wallet into CoinLedger. And whenever you do that, you then want to go to click on sync transactions. And what that's going to do here, it's going to basically sync all the transactions, and it's going to show you the transactions. So on the current account I'm actually importing, as you can see, I didn't have any transactions, but if you do, it's going to give you a list which is going to look like this, and it's going to say from Coinbase Wallet, and inside transactions you'll also be able to see from Coinbase Wallet all of the possible transactions you actually imported. So that's how to do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.